This is an Acegoo wireless light switch kit that I purchased a couple of days ago, but I'm gonna go through it with you and show you how this thing works. It's pretty simple. If you want to purchase one, you can look in the description below. But the blue wire is going to be tied into the common, which is your white. Your red wire is your hot, which is your black. Your brown wire is going to also tie into hot that runs to the light or whatever appliance that you're going to be using. It's pretty simple, just 3 wires you need to hook up, and I'm gonna give you a demo of it. I'm gonna go through the wiring of it, and it's waterproof, and this is what comes in the package. Okay, first you wanna get your receiver. This is your receiver right here. And what you want to do is make sure you turn your power off. I'm not going to turn my power off. I do this all the time. But if you're going to do it, turn your power off, or you probably want to hire an electrician. And like I said, if you want to purchase one of these, it's in the description below. And it works really great. So let's take the blue wire. And your blue wire, we're going to tie it into the white wire, which is your common. And the red wire is going to be tied into the hot, which is on most switches, the hot is at the bottom. And the one that runs, the other hot that runs to the light is at the top. Which your brown is going to tie into the one on the top that runs to the light. So let's test this and see which one is hot. I have a tester here. You're going to see it turn red where it's hot at. And you can purchase this in the description below also. This tester. See, it's green. When it's turned red, that means it's hot. So if I put it on the top, it's not hot. So that's my hot down there. So that's going to tie into the red one. So the red is going to go right there. And your brown is going to go on the top, which is going to run to your light. And your blue is going to go to your common. So let me turn this switch on. I'm going to show you how it works. If I turn this on, it's going to turn red. So it's going to send power to the brown, which is going to run to the light. All right, let's start wiring it up. So first we're going to take the blue, which is going to be tied into your white, which is your common. Okay, and we're going to take this other one right here, which is going to be your brown. That's going to tie into the top part of your hot that's going to run into the light. So it's not hot yet until you turn it on. So we're putting the brown on the top. Now we can fit this do the live wire, which is the red. So I'm going to be careful with this red because it's live right now. Like I said, turn your power off while you're working with this. But like I said, I've done this a few times, so I know how it works. But I still take precaution when I'm doing this. So I'm tying my live wire in right now, which is my red. While I'm doing it, if I'm touching my red and I touch the ground, I will get shocked. Okay, so now I got everything plugged in. So I'm gonna show you how to program this thing. You press and hold that black button, hold it for 3 seconds. It'll start blinking. Once you let it go, you take your remote and push it either up or down, it doesn't matter. Once you push it, now it's programmed. It's that easy. See how I'm turning the lights on and off? It's really simple. And if I don't want to use, if say for instance my receiver or something go out, I can use the switch also. So if I want to delete this, I press and hold it for 10 seconds. I want to clear everything out. You're going to see it start blinking fast. So now it's cleared, so it's no longer paired up together. And that's all to it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.